This crunchy flat green beans and lentil dumpling cooked with mild spices using potatoes for the perfect starch to bind it all together. And in this winter season is a perfect vegetarian dish with very mild spice and tastes great with rice and roti. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this classic dish. And the ingredients are potatoes cut into long strips, flat beans, lentil dumplings, tomatoes, with that ginger paste, turmeric powder, green chili paste, cumin powder, and salt. Now let's begin today's recipe. First of all, in a pan add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add 7 to 8 lentil dumplings. Over here I am using urad dal dumplings. You can use any other. Now fry it in a medium high flame until it turns golden. Once it is done, then remove it from the pan and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Now after removing the lentil dumplings, then into that same oil add 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into wedges. If the potatoes are big, slice the wedges into half. Then add 8 to 10 flat green beans, cut the edges and slice it into 1-inch chunks if you want, or you can use directly. Then add little salt and turmeric powder. Fry it in a medium-high flame until it turns light brown. After that, again you have to remove all these veggies and keep aside. After removing the veggies, into that same pan add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes cut into slices. This simple recipe is a medley of vegetables that cook until tender. It's often kept pure vegetarian, meaning it is cooked without any garlic or onion. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. Now stir it well and cook in a slow flame until the tomato turns mushy. After a few minutes, you will see our tomatoes are well done. At this point of time, add 1 cup of water, stir it well. Then add the fried vegetables, potato and the flat beans and cook in a very low flame for 10 to 12 minutes, or our potatoes are 90% done. Though at this time, no need to add the dumplings. We will add it at a later part of the recipe. Next, after few minutes, check the potatoes, then add 2 green chilies and our fried dumplings at this stage, and again cook in a very low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. This recipe is so easy, especially in this winter when different types of vegetables are easily available throughout the market. It's one of the ways to add all its tasty leftover vegetables just chopped to a bite size and slow cook for some time. Now our recipe is perfectly done. Switch off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves from top. Then serve in a serving bowl and enjoy this with steamed rice or roti of your choice. So now if you want to try some other recipes from my channel, you can see the description box below. And if you like today's recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story for more updates and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy winter. See you again. Bye-bye.